Okay, so grabe kayo po nagtanong nito Yeah. Nintay ko yung tanong na yan eh. Pero i-announce ko din siya later pag nandito na yung mga sushis. But syempre, of course, gusto ko nang sabihin dito. I'm gonna be releasing my first ever full-length album. It's gonna be called Color Coaster. K-O-L-O-R Coaster. So, it's been a long ride, but we're here now. Wow. And we're gonna do it all over again. Kala nyo, todo na yung dilaw, namumulat buga.
Pero
Wait na ngayon. Marami pang songs. It consists of 10 songs. 10 songs including Dilaw, Namumula, and Bughaw. And it's gonna be a crazy ride, but I hope you can ride with us in this color coaster. So, sana po abangan niyo po yan because it's gonna be an album na I've never hindi ko pa akalain na magagawa ko tong album na to, but it took a lot of work, effort, and of course, heart and time. So, sana po abangan nyo ang mga susunod pang kulay sa mangyayaring album na to. Yes, and marami pa kami i-announce very soon. But for the first time, I'm announcing again that Color Coaster will be out very soon. Ayun po. Thank you!